How to make pom-poms at home with gift wrapping paper. For that, first I'm taking A4 sheet paper. If it's thin, you can take 2 or 3 together. Once you have taken the desired amount, fold it into half in this way. Keep your folds neat. Once you have done folding it into half, again you will have to fold it into another half in this way. Now you'll have many flyers or waste papers that you'll have at home. Y'all can make use of that. Now from the open end of the fold, here I'm using a waste flyer, I just roll it up into a straw like thing. A fat straw should be formed rolling. Then bend that exactly into half in the middle in this way. And this will form a handle. To ensure that it doesn't open up easily, you'll have to tape it up. So take a thick transparent or scotch tape in this way and roll it around that handle. One round is enough if the tape is thick. If it's thin, then take 2 rounds of the tape. Now keep this aside and let's begin with the paper. Take your gift wrapping sheet. On the lengthier side, fold it into half in this way. Once you are done folding into half, attach one folded corner, not the open corner, the folded corner, to that handle that you have made with the help of a tape in this way. So the tape at the corner, turn it around the handle like this, and ensure when you're turning it around, the end will be straight. If not, you will not get a perfect circle once you have finished it. Keep turning. Ensure that on the other end you have placed something heavy or you have someone who's helping you hold it, so that your rolling will be a little tight enough. Don't make it too tight because it will be difficult while cutting. Keep on rolling in this way. If you feel that the roll is not coming exact or it's not proper, it's okay to open it back and then roll it again. It's perfectly fine. Here I'm going to be almost done. Don't worry if the fold goes up and down, it's fine, because you will get to either way see both of the sides of the gift wrap paper. If it's of the same color also it's fine. If not, you can take what I have taken, one side silver, the other side the other color. Once you're done rolling, again you'll have to tape off the end of the roll portion on the top side. This side you'll have to add tape, the same transparent tape, add it around that full circle. So you're halfway through to making the pom pom. This looks like a stick kind of thing with the holder and the part where you all need to have the cuts made to form the pom poms. So on the portion where you need the cuts, ensure you take a scissor which is a little hard enough to make the cuts through easily, and just along the length I will be cutting in this way. See that you do this slowly, because if you go to do this fast, it is going to spoil those cuts that you are making. Once you have placed the cuts, see that the cut portion you will put it on top side, as you can see I have done, and then cut the remaining part in the same way in strands. Now friends, here I am not following a particular length that I need to maintain of those pom pom cuts or strands. I am sure that once you shake those pom poms, you cannot make out the sizes of those strands. So for me, I feel that was not really important to maintain the broadness of the strand to be the same. Here I'm just ensuring that it is thin enough, not keeping the broadness same. So once you're done cutting through the strands like I'm doing so, please ensure that you put them up once you have cut each strand, else it will get chipped off when you're cutting the other portion into thinner strands. Okay, this is a little time taking, this part, because you have to cut through very slowly to avoid any kind of tear. Usually you get thicker gift wrapping sheets which is quite good, they do not tear off easily, but if your gift wrapping sheet is very thin, you will have to be careful. Let's run through this process, otherwise it will keep taking a lot of time. Here the pom pom is ready. Doesn't it look cute? Very nice. Okay, now let's go to the portion where we need to cover the handle. For that you'll need a glitter tape in this way. Now I prefer doing it of the same color. If you all want, you all can use another color as well. That is your choice. All you have to do now is just wind this glitter tape or shining tape around the portion which you made as a handle with the help of paper or waste paper or waste flyers. Once you come to the end, just cut off the remaining excess part of the tape and close it inwards. After closing it inwards, if you feel it's open still, I will show you what you all can do. Now here I have done the second one as well. I'll just quickly put this through a fast forward. I just wanted to show you cutting right from the beginning because it was not clear in the first part. Now regarding the end of the pom pom where you end the handle portion, if you feel that the cutout area is not proper, it doesn't look neat, just cut a piece of that shining tape or glitter tape in this way and place it on top of that. That's it. Do it for both. If you need to take a little lengthier part of the tape, do so and just paste it on that area so it will be sealed completely. Your pom poms are ready, and I'm sure they are the most easiest ones that y'all could have found in making. Do let me know in the comment section how did y'all enjoy this easy DIY pom pom making hack, and I'll see you next time. For those of y'all who are new out here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, How Hacks. Bye.